Hey, this is Jake from EVPL. I'm back to talk to you about how to use our Encore catalog to search our research databases. So using the Encore catalog is an alternative method rather than just going into each individual database as you might at the evpl.org research page. To search all of our databases at once, you'll get started by pointing your browser to encore.evpl.org. By default, when you get to this page, you'll notice that the Catalog tab is already marked. The Catalog tab is strictly for searching library materials in our print collections and in our digital collections. Let's click on the Articles tab to switch to the correct search function. You'll begin your search in the Articles tab by entering search terms and then clicking the gray search button to continue. Today, for an example, I'm going to research sustainability and recycling. So I enter my search terms and click go, and I immediately get 535 results. That's a lot of broad research that might not be as specific as I want. I do know I want full text and peer-reviewed sources, especially if I'm doing this for a school project or research paper. If you notice on the left, you can limit this to full text and peer-reviewed resources. On the left, go ahead and click full text and peer-reviewed, and you can reset and you'll now have 167 sources to choose from. That's a lot better than over 500. You'll also notice that library catalog results are displayed on the left in case you want to find a book, ebook, DVD, or something else to refer to a review for your assignment. When your research items do appear on the screen, you'll notice each one has a More button and a blue text against the black text. If you hover your mouse over More, you'll get a gray pop-up box that gives you more information, specifically the abstract and then the source dates and more. Here's an example of one from this preview search. So when I find an item that I want to look at in depth, I just look to see how it's given to us. You'll notice this example from the Journal of Architectural Engineering has a PDF copy. To open the database and view, save, or send a PDF or full text, just click on the PDF button. This window takes you into the actual database itself. This specific database is Academic Search. On this landing page, you'll find out more about the authors, the source, the subject terms, keywords, images that are used in the research, and more. You can link to the PDF at the left, or use the toolbox to save it directly to your Google Drive. You can email the article to yourself. You can save a copy to your computer, and you can find out more about citing it, which we'll talk more about shortly. You'll also notice whenever you are in one of our research databases, you'll be provided with subject terms and author-supplied keywords. For example, here you're given pavement, design and construction, sustainability, porous materials, and more. You can click on any of those to learn more about those terms or to search those terms within the database for other articles or other publications. If you want to find more from the specific source, you can just click on the source title. For example here, Journal of Architectural Engineering. You can find another volume or issue or look at different pages in the current issue. Once you open the PDF, you can peruse the entire article, or you can use the tools at the left to explore other items in that certain publication. For example, the September 1, 2013 issue of Journal of Architectural Engineering. If I want to preview how to cite this in MLA format, APA format, Chicago format, or another format, I can just use the Cite button at the right in the toolbox. Let's go ahead and click on Cite. You'll notice a citation format window loads. It provides you with examples of how to cite this in various formats. For example, here I'm going to go to MLA format. From here I can highlight and then right-click copy and paste into my word process document or into another citation manager. Please note that sometimes these citations are modified or have coding issues that might cause them not to be 100% correct. Always check against the guidelines you're given by your instructor or from the organization like MLA or from the American Psychological Association for APA or the Chicago Manual of Style. You can use the Purdue OWL website or tutor.com to double check your citations. Note, EVPL does provide tutor.com free to all users, e-access users as well. You just need to create an account and use the tutor.com link on evpl.org/research. Alternative methods to search for articles would include going to evpl.org/research. You can go into each database as you might have in the past. To search multiple EBSCO databases at once, either from EVPL or from Inspire, you can either go to the evpl.org/research page or to the inspire.in.gov/databases page as shown on the screen. You can find more information about how to conduct research by looking at the Inspire databases and evpl.org database info pages on those specific databases. If you have questions, feel free to reach out to us here at EVPL. You can call us at 812-428-8200. You can click the Ask EVPL button on evpl.org. Just look for the little red pop-up comment cloud. It'll be on the right side of every page on evpl.org. You can shoot us an email by going to evpl.org/connect and sending your message to the appropriate departments. You can visit us during our public service hours. To learn more about when we're open and where we're open, just go to evpl.org/locations or give us a call at that number. You can also set up a face-to-face online tutorial with a librarian. Visit evpl.org to get started with Book a Librarian or give us a call and we'll get an appointment scheduled for you. One-on-one time just for you with a trained professional, happy to help you conduct your research or find out more about what you need to know. Thanks for joining us today. This tutorial was put together using the resources and tools of EVPL Maker Central. You can learn more on our website. Take care and have a great day.